Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got something special for all you enthusiasts and handymen out there. We're going to introduce you to 15 must-have hand tools that will make your life easier and your projects more efficient. Number 1. The Klein Tools Diagonal Cutting Pliers with Precision Flush Cutter, priced at just $12.97, are a remarkable addition to any toolbox. These pliers excel in precision cutting, snipping wires up to 16 Arabin florins with a flat, flush cut. Their pinch cutting mechanism reduces effort and minimizes fly-off, ensuring safety and efficiency. Designed for superior tool control, the comfortable grips offer a non-slip hold for delicate or tight space projects. The ultra-slim profile grants access to confined areas, enhancing versatility. Made in the USA, these pliers are heat-treated for durability, promising years of reliable service. Additionally, the steel return spring minimizes hand strain during repetitive cuts. Ideal for DEers and professionals, these Klein Tools pliers deliver exceptional value and performance. Number 2. The Workpro Premium 6-inch Needle Nose Pliers, priced affordably at $7.99, are a remarkable choice for those seeking both quality and value. These pliers undergo rigorous testing to meet A4 clamping standards, assuring users of their precision and reliability. Crafted from heavy-duty chrome vanadium steel and processed using 5-boost crafts, they exhibit impressive hardness and durability. With heat-treated hardness ratings of 40 to 48 HRC and high-frequency treated hardness of 55 to 65 HRC, these pliers can tackle tough tasks while resisting rust. The ergonomic design, featuring a large grip with soft TPR material, ensures a comfortable and secure hold, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you're a professional or a DE enthusiast, these pliers offer a competitive edge in both performance and affordability. Upgrade your toolkit with confidence in the Workpro name. Number 3. The DEPRA 218-piece General Household Hand Toolkit, priced at $75.89, stands as a testament to quality and versatility. Crafted from robust chrome vanadium steel and steel with surface oxide layers, these tools are designed to last. Meeting or exceeding ANSI critical standards, they ensure reliability and longevity. This comprehensive kit includes an array of updated tools, from combination spanners to screwdriver bits, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Neatly stored in a compact mechanics toolbox, it's easily transportable and backed by a warranty against defects. Measuring 17.12 inch by 12.99 inch x 3.5 inch and weighing 14.02 pounds, it's a portable solution for any project. This toolkit also makes a thoughtful gift, with its soft ergonomic handles and versatile applications, from furniture assembly to plumbing repairs. It's a versatile and valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 4. The Klein Tools Telescoping Magnetic LED Light and Pickup Tool, priced at $24.97, is a versatile and indispensable gadget for anyone. Its telescoping arm extends a generous 22 inches, 55.9 centimeters, allowing you to effortlessly reach items in spaces that were previously inaccessible. Equipped with a powerful magnetic head with a 2-pound, 0.9 kilograms pickup strength, it excels at retrieving metal objects with ease. The integrated LED light, powered by 2 included AAA alkaline batteries, provides 25 lumens of illumination for improved visibility in dimly lit areas, and it boasts a runtime of up to 10 hours. The flexible 2-inch, 51mm gooseneck end bends to navigate around obstacles, enhancing its adaptability. With a rubberized handle for a secure grip, a pocket clip for easy storage, and an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, this tool is a reliable companion for a wide range of tasks. It offers outstanding value for its convenience and versatility. Number 5. The Keyless Drill Chuck Bit, priced at $15.99, is a versatile and indispensable addition to any toolbox. This set includes 2 keyless drill chucks, each designed to accommodate a wide range of drill bit sizes, making it easy to switch between tasks. With an easy-to-install and easy-to-use design, these chucks can quickly transform your cordless electric screwdriver into a drill or grinder, adding versatility to your power tools. What sets these keyless drill chucks apart is their ability to effortlessly lock and release drill bits, enabling you to convert hexagonal shank drives to drilling rigs in seconds. This feature is invaluable for professionals and DEers alike, allowing for swift transitions between tasks. Whether you're working in tight spaces or a wide range of applications, these chucks offer the freedom and adaptability needed to get the job done efficiently. From home projects to automotive repairs, the keyless drilled chuck bit is a reliable and valuable toolset for various tasks.
Number 6. The willix chopping axe, priced at $14.98, is a reliable and efficient tool designed for effortless wood chopping. Perfect for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this axe offers a versatile solution for preparing firewood, logs, kindling, and branches. Its forged carbon steel heat-treated blade ensures superior durability and longevity, allowing for smooth and sharp splits that outlast traditional axes. The ergonomic design features a shock-absorbing anti-slip grip and a cold-resistant fiberglass handle, reducing hand strain and enhancing user comfort. The resharpenable blade guarantees a long-lasting sharp edge with easy maintenance. Its weighted wedge design makes chopping logs a breeze. For convenient storage and transport, a plastic protective cover is included, and the axe can be hung with ease. In summary, the willix chopping axe is a cost-effective solution for woodcutting tasks, offering durability, efficiency, and practical storage options. It's a valuable addition to any outdoor enthusiast's toolkit.
Number 7. The durc 3/8-inch drive manual impact driver, priced at $15.99, is a versatile solution for loosening stubborn screws, rusted fasteners, or frozen bolts. This unique tool converts the force of hammer blows into high torque power, making it effective even against the toughest fasteners. When struck with a hammer, the impact driver's handle turns, creating a twisting action that helps release screws without causing damage. This reversible tool allows you to adjust the direction right for tightening and left for loosening with clear engravings on the handle for easy identification. The set includes a 3/8-inch impact driver, a bit adapter, flat and Phillips bits, and a storage case, ensuring you have everything you need in one place. Its portable and lightweight design means you can use it in the garage or on the go, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Number 8. The Klein Tools multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver, priced at $21.97, is a versatile and efficient addition to your toolkit. Its robust ratcheting mechanism enables faster and more straightforward driving, making it a reliable companion for all-day use. With onboard storage for 14 double-sided screwdriver bits in a 1/4-inch nut driver, this tool keeps your bits organized and easily accessible, saving time and effort. The included industrial-strength bits are conveniently housed in the handle, ensuring their availability for a wide range of tasks. The screwdriver's collar allows you to control the ratchet direction, making it versatile for both tightening and loosening screws. The cushion grip handle provides excellent torque and maximum comfort, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Whether you're a professional or a DE enthusiast, this screwdriver simplifies your projects. Number 9. The rigid portable Tristand chain vise is a rugged and dependable tool designed to meet the demands of the most challenging job sites. With a versatile pipe capacity ranging from 1/8 inch to 6 inches, it accommodates a wide range of pipe sizes for secure clamping. This vise boasts a sturdy and durable construction, complete with a tool tray that can withstand the rigors of demanding tasks, providing superior strength and stability. Its ergonomic design optimizes the base structure by overhanging the front legs, ensuring a clear tool swing, and maximizing the workspace around the pipe. Portability and convenience are key features, with integral folding legs and 3 tool hangers, simplifying setup and transport on the job site. Additionally, an integrated ground lug is included, allowing for a conductive surface to connect the weld ground, enhancing safety and efficiency. One standout feature is the vise's self-hooking capability for 4-inch pipes, eliminating the need for a second hand to engage the chain into the wear plate, thus saving on labor. In summary, the rigid portable Tristand chain vise is a versatile, durable, and labor-saving solution for all your pipe clamping needs. Its ergonomic design and robust construction make it an essential tool for professionals in various fields, including plumbing and construction, where dependable and efficient pipe clamping is required. Number 10. The Bates Nail Puller, priced at $15.99, is a practical and dependable tool designed for efficient nail removal, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this nail puller offers long-lasting performance and is resistant to rust, ensuring its durability through extended use. The soft plastic-coated grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, reducing hand strain during nail extraction. What sets this tool apart is its versatility in removing nails, even those with damaged heads, from wood surfaces. It excels in various applications, making it an ideal choice for carpenters, construction professionals, handymen, and individuals involved in tasks like floor installation. The Bates Nail Puller simplifies the nail removal process, enhancing your precision and efficiency, and is a reliable companion for a wide range of projects. Number 11. The Toilet Plunger, priced at $35.99, is a premium solution for swiftly and effectively clearing pipe blockages. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and ABS non-slip plastic, it's not only durable, but also safe and resistant to rust. This plunger operates at varying air pressures, up to 120 psi, to tackle a wide range of pipe obstructions, effectively eliminating the need for frequent plumber visits. What sets it apart is its high-pressure air design, which uses compressed air to dislodge blockages within seconds, making it a fast and efficient solution for unblocking pipes. It's versatile, suitable for various applications including toilets, drains, sinks, and more. The toilet plunger is a reliable and cost-effective tool for anyone dealing with pipe blockages, providing a durable and efficient way to clear obstructions swiftly and effortlessly. Number 12. The Japanese Handsaw P Saw, priced at $21.99, is a top-tier cutting tool renowned for its precision and versatility. Its 8-inch SK5 steel blade, treated with electrophoresis technology and high-frequency hardening, stands at 0.7 mm thickness, boasting exceptional durability and wear resistance with a hardness of 50 HRC. The P Saw's premium fine teeth, with an impulse hardening process, achieve a remarkable 60 HRC for teeth, ensuring durability and breakage resistance. The ergonomic handle, crafted from TPE and ABS materials, offers durability, a non-slip surface, and features a convenient hook hole for storage. Easy blade replacement is facilitated with a tooth guard, a saw sleeve, and an included spare pull saw blade, extending the tool's longevity. This pull saw excels in a range of applications, including flush cutting, cross-cutting, rip cutting, and deep cutting, with a compact 380 mm body that's ideal for confined spaces. Compared to push saws, pull saws are lighter, require less power, and deliver cleaner, precise cuts, making this tool an invaluable asset for woodworking and general cutting tasks. Number 13. Priced at $69.99. The Workpro 22-piece ratcheting combination wrench set is a robust and versatile toolkit for various tasks. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel with a hardness of up to HRC 50, these wrenches resist rust and corrosion. The 12-point box end design prevents rounding off fasteners by applying force to flat sides, and the 72-tooth ratchet ensures efficient tightening, even in confined spaces. This set includes 22 metric and SAE wrenches from 6 mm to 3/4 inch, each with clear size markings. The premium carrying case keeps them organized and ready for use. Overall, this set combines durability, efficiency, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to your tool collection for automotive repairs, maintenance, and more. Number 14. The Libertin water pump pliers, available at $45.99, are versatile and durable tools that simplify various tasks. These pliers feature a slip joint design with a ratcheting push-button adjustment mechanism, allowing for quick and precise changes to the jaw width to accommodate different sized nuts and bolts. This pliers set includes 3 sizes, the 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch models, each with varying jaw capacities, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Constructed from robust chrome vanadium (CRV) steel, these pliers are built for strength and longevity. Their V-jaw design provides a secure grip on fasteners, preventing slipping. With non-slip plastic dipped handles, these pliers offer a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. They are suitable for a wide range of applications, including loosening, clamping, gripping, and twisting nuts, bolts, and pipes, making them valuable tools for both household and automotive tasks. Number 15. The Klein Tools 1010 Multi-Tool Long Nose Wire Cutter, priced at $24.97, is a versatile and essential tool for anyone working with wires. This multifunctional tool offers a wire stripper that can easily cut and strip various wire types, ensuring efficiency in your work. Its narrow, serrated plier jaws are perfect for tasks like wire pulling, looping, and bending. Additionally, the tool cleanly shears screws of different sizes and can crimp a range of terminals, making it a go-to choice for electrical work. The strategic positioning of the cutters and strippers in front of the pivot ensures easy access, even in tight spaces. With plastic-covered cushioned handles, it provides comfort during extended use. This tool is a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering great value for its versatile features.